Hi, I'm Vanessa from Staff Annie's product team. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use our free payslip generator for your part-timers or casual laborers in 4 easy steps. Before you begin, it is highly recommended to use your computer to generate your payslips. Step 1. Fill in your company information. The information entered here will be visible on all payslips. You will need to enter your company name, set your pay period, and payment date. However, it is entirely optional for you to include your company logo. Step 2. Fill in your staff payroll information. This is where you can enter pay information for each individual staff. Don't worry, we will not save this information on our end. Our table here can be scrolled horizontally and vertically and shows up to 8 users at once. If you'd like to add more rows, you can do so over here. I will now briefly bring you through the key columns in the table. First off, we have our preview column, which allows you to preview your staff payslips individually. On the other hand, these 3 columns will allow you to better identify if your staff qualifies for CPF and how much their CPF contribution should be. You can also fill up your staff SHG contribution type. The next 4 columns over here will allow you to enter your staff's hourly pay. And these 4 columns here, you'll be able to enter your staff's actual working hours for the pay period. If your staff has worked overtime, you may indicate their overtime start and end period. On the other hand, these 2 columns allow you to enter your staff's CPF payable additions and deductions. Do note that our payslip generator currently does not support non-CPF payable additions and deductions. Next, you may input payment method and bank information if any. And lastly, the email column here allows you to capture your staff's email address for our email the payslips to staff feature here. Don't worry, we will not contact them for other purposes. Now, fill in the table as shown here. If you would like to save time when duplicating similar information, feel free to use the Ctrl+C, Ctrl+B function to copy and paste information on your Windows computer or Command-C and Command-V on your Mac as such. After filling up relevant fields, you may preview payslips individually to check if the information entered is reflected accurately. Do note that if you are missing information, you will not be able to preview these payslips. You can simply fill up the cells highlighted in red. After you are done, the next step is to send out your payslips. We want to help you save time exporting and sending out individual payslips. Therefore, we have built the Mass Send Payslip feature for you. With a single click, payslips are sent directly to your staff's email address and you will be BCC'd in each sent email. Please ensure that all staff's email addresses have been filled out in the table or their payslips will not be sent out. If there are undelivered payslips, fret not, you'll be notified through your email address as shown here. Lastly, you can save your payroll data for bookkeeping purposes as well as save time running future payrolls with this feature over here. You will receive 2 files in your email. First, payroll data. This will be your working file for future payroll. An additional tutorial can be found in the email to further explain how to use it. Secondly, we have payroll data with detailed calculations. This will contain data and calculations done for the payslips in the current pay period. And that's it. Hope you've learned how to use our payslip generator for your part-timers or casual labor staff. Do chat us up if you have any questions. Goodbye.